How to activate Capital One credit card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to another incredible episode of Official Help Desk. In today's engaging video content, I am thrilled to demonstrate the seamless process of activating your Capital One credit card online. Make sure to stay tuned till the very end to grasp all the essential steps, and remember, if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell icon to stay updated on our future uploads. To kickstart this activation process, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the address bar at the top and input activate.capitalone.co.uk and hit enter on your keyboard to access the designated credit card activation page. First of all, sign into your online account, and in order to activate a new card, on the subsequent page, furnish the 16-digit card number in the designated field, followed by the expiry date and your date of the birth in the subsequent fields. To finalize the activation, click on Confirm Card Details. Upon completing the steps and adhering to the on-screen instructions, you will successfully activate your Capital One credit card account. Subsequently, select your preferred payment method by following the outline guidelines on the subsequent page. This straightforward process ensures the swift activation of your Capital One credit card. This walkthrough demonstrates the simplicity of the process, and I trust you found this tutorial to be beneficial. If so, show your support by giving us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more insightful videos in the near future. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.